I have died every day waiting for you. The day we met, frozen, I held my breath. Right from the start, I knew that I found a home for my heart. Beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more.
Kasama natin sa linya ng telepono ngayon, the one daw talaga, oh, the one, the only, sa puso, oy,
Sarah G.
Mateo G.
Mateo G naman.
Hi, Matt.
Yun lang, happy kami. Masaya naman lahat. And because, I think it's time for her to enjoy her life more.
Okay. Pero ano tawag mo kay Sarah, if you don't mind?
Beba.
Hindi ba? Alam mo na yan. Tulad-tulad sa text ni Direk Wenga.
Wow. Let's face it, guys. I'm 24. She's 25. We're young adults. So, she can make her own decisions, and I can make my own decisions also, diba? And she deserves it. She deserves all the happiness.
O sige, sabihin ko na po, boyfriend ko po si Mateo. Marami din nagsasabi na parang paligoy-ligoy, di ba? So, hindi, para naman once and for all, di ba po, may clarity sa issue. Siyempre, thankful naman tayo sa Diyos at everything that's happening, binless din ako ng ganitong klaseng relationship, ganitong klaseng karelasyon. Kasi mabait na tao naman si Mateo. Naman at saka talagang matyaga.
Boyfriend mo na si Mateo?
Yes. O, hindi naman maganda magtatawagan kami mahal kung wala nang kami relasyon, di ba?
It's not just Sarah, it's Sarah, my girlfriend, diba? So, now I'm good. She's a I just want to respect her side, her mom, and everything. So, I'm very proud of her. She's standing up for herself. She's 25 years old, and she's starting to enjoy life more. And I want to show her what life is. I just want her to be happy. In the first place, we never hid anything, diba? We just didn't say, we didn't confirm. So it's nice, that everybody's happy. She's just amazing. And words can't explain how amazing she is.
Mateo talaga ang boyfriend mo ngayon.
Si Mateo nga po.
This is something that you think is really worth keeping?
Siyempre naman. Lahat naman tayo. Ako, siyempre, pagka nagmahal ka ng isang tao, siyempre, lagi mong tinitingnan yun na worth keeping.
What is it about him that you think he's worth keeping? Oo, yun lang simple lang yun
Si Mar kasi siya matyaga.
Because Mateo is now the man in your life. Di ba? If there's one thing na natutunan mo sa kanya, or if there's one thing na ituturo niya sa'yo na impart mo sa'yo,
Yung life is short mga artista tayo, mga public figures tayo, pero it is also our right, to live our life to the fullest. Experience life, enjoy life, grow, mature, and be at 26 years old. Mas to 26 na ako. So, yun siguro yung nakikita ko sa kanya.